Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to create schema and table in MySQL Workbench. So let's start. This is the MySQL Workbench. First we have to go to the database. Then you have to connect to database. Then press OK. Then we have to create the schema. To create schema, there is the icon like create schema. Then you have to name the schema. For example, I will name it as employee details. So then apply it. Then click apply. Then your schema is ready. After that, go to the table. From the table, edit your table. Like create table, then you have to edit. First, you have to give the table name. My table name will be employee information. So I will write employee, anything you can give. I'm just giving you an example. Then I have to give the column name. So first I will give my column name as employee ID. Then you have to choose, this is the primary key, and give the null. Then after that, next column will be your anything you can give the name. Like I will give employee address. Then I will choose not null. Then after that I have to give another one column, and this employee department, so I will give this not null. Then we have to apply it. Then we just create our table. Click finish. Then we have to go to table. From table we have to go to edit option. Then you have to fill up the information like employee ID. I will give 1. Then address. Then employee department. So click apply. So your table is ready. So this is the tutorial. Hope you all like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more.